You mentioned earlier that the majority of laid off candidates, or at least a large plurality, are not looking to downgrade their positions. What do you think that says about the value proposition and resilience of software engineering roles, even in challenging economic climates?
They know their value. Software engineers know their value, and that hasn't changed. Like, I was really glad to see that even in this market, like, people weren't really willing to make that step back. Like, some of them are going to have to, because there's lots of circumstances where maybe your visa requires you to get a new job, or you might have a financial situation where you really need to do it. And I think those people will be fine. Like, they will get back to where they want to be. It's a shame. Like, you never want to make that step back in your career. But in the broadest sense, like, most engineers know that their skills are still very in demand. As you said, like, the demands of digital transformation have not gone anywhere. The demands to deliver new technology has not gone anywhere. We know that engineers who are left behind are absolutely feeling the crunch because they're getting asked to do the same amount of work with smaller teams, with less colleagues. And they can see it. They're not stupid. Like, they know that these skills are still going to be in demand. So a lot of them are willing to sit tight and just wait for the market to bounce back so they can get back in there.
Sounds like you don't think AI is replacing developers anytime soon.
I don't see it. I really do think that whenever these things come up, they have this miraculous ability to somehow actually increase the amount of work that people end up doing, because there's now an increased expectation. I was reading a thing in HBR the other day about the rise of citizen development now that AI is there. And I was always so bearish on no code, low code. I just never saw anyone give me a good example of a citizen developer in an organization that had actually launched something that people use. And I'm sure they exist, but I just never really saw it. Whereas with AI now, I think that there is a much more opportunity for someone in your finance department to build a very quick app that solves a really annoying pain point for them. But as the piece said, someone's got to manage that bigger now estate of applications. I just feel like it's somehow, like every one of these technologies that says it's going to save us time and give us a 4-day working week, it's somehow going to give us more work.